Are your marketing emails getting lost in subscribers' sea of unread messages? Are you looking at your click rates and you're not happy? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate design secrets to make your emails not just stand out, but convert like never before. As new trends and innovative strategies emerge every year, you can't afford to miss out on these cutting-edge tips. Stay tuned because in the next 5 to 7 minutes, you'll discover how to transform your emails into powerful tools that captivate your audience and drive results. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Casey and I run Luck & Co agency. My team helps 8- and 9-figure e-commerce brands maximize their revenue from email and SMS. We have accumulated a ton of knowledge and experience over the years, and on this channel, I share all of that with you. So before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, or if you're one of those people who I talk to in the comments under videos, thank you so much for supporting me. In this video, I won't cover the basics like responsive design for multi-device experiences, mobile optimization, and crafting engaging subject lines, though they're still crucial. If you're unfamiliar with these concepts, don't worry, I do have separate videos dedicated to those topics, and we will link them under this video or somewhere in the video, so look for those links if that's what you're looking for. Without further ado, let's dive into the latest industry trends and best practices. Elevate your game with gamification. Would you rather send your customers a regular promotional email packed with useful content and discounts, or an email that delivers all the same content but in a fun, gamified way? Well, I can't guess your preference. Research, and that of our clients and top global brands, shows that gamified emails significantly boost engagement and ROI. It turns out that recipients enjoy a little fun in their inbox. For e-commerce, email gamification more than doubles the click-to-open rate from 12% to 26%. Additionally, the average check increases by 15%, leading to a rise in ROI by 300%. As email fatigue continues to be a prevalent issue, brands are seeking innovative design trends to combat monotony. That's why we predict gamification to emerge as a dominant email design trend in the upcoming year or years. It boosts brand awareness, it draws in more traffic, it offers a sense of fulfillment through rewards, making it a win-win-win for email marketers. Pro tip: when designing a game, put yourself in your subscriber's shoes. Ensure clear instructions and simple gameplay to prevent audience disengagement. Before we move on to the next tips, and trust me, you don't want to miss those, so keep watching, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Stripo, the drag and drop and HTML email template builder. Stripo helps you stand out with gamified emails that boost engagement and drive conversions. Whether it's a Wheel of Fortune discount game, a fun quiz, or a challenging memory match, Stripo's interactive module generator lets you build these games without any coding skills. Plus, with built-in dark mode compatibility, your email will look great on any device at any time. And that's not all. How often do you find yourself spending hours, days, or even weeks crafting the perfect email? Stripo's innovative Module Plus approach speeds up your email creation by 5 times, letting you create, update, and automate emails with ease. Imagine making one change and seeing it applied across all of your campaigns. Plus, you can lock designs, optimize content with Gen AI, even create complex modules with interactive content, all while maintaining consistency and efficiency. Ready to save time and make your emails more engaging and effective? Get free monthly access to a paid Stripo Medium plan by using my promo code CaseyLuck. The link and promo code are both in the video description. CTAs that sell. Time to talk CTAs. Even with a top-notch design, a weak CTA means you're leaving a lot of clicks on the table. A stellar CTA isn't just about prompting action, it's about amplifying its value. Think about it. Your subscribers didn't wake up itching to download or sign up for something. They woke up with desires or needs. Your button text should tap into that and tantalize, setting the stage for what awaits your subscriber next. For instance, promoting a fitness program? Instead of the standard sign up today, provoke interest with transform your body. Marketing a travel guide? Skip the mundane download here and opt for the adventurous embark on the journey. Offering a webinar? Rather than the typical register now, captivate with unlock expert insights. Finally, showcasing a clothing collection, move beyond shop now to the captivating elevate your style. Crafting CTAs that tease and entice can be the game changer in driving engagement and conversions. And here's my pro tip. Use the first person pronoun in CTAs for maximum effectiveness. So in the previous examples that I just gave, changing your to my will take your click rate that extra mile. Draw focus to your CTAs with design. Encapsulation is like putting your most vital content in a fancy box. It's all about making sure that your readers know this content is key. For instance, imagine centering a compelling call to action within a captivating frame, like a tunnel or a window. You can achieve this effect with various techniques, such as incorporating striking photography, intricate patterns, or a captivating radial gradient. Really, the key is for all the visual elements around that CTA to point to the CTA. It could even be the shape of the text that you use. Everything should draw the attention of your subscriber to that one central thing, and that should be the button with your CTA. Make your CTA stand out with contrast. When creating your email, ensure that your CTA stands out distinctly against other elements. Additionally, consider the emotional impact of colors, as they can evoke specific responses from your audience. Remember to test different color combinations within your brand's palette to optimize email accessibility. And as you're playing with colors, please don't forget to test your emails in dark mode, because dark mode will invert and cancel out all the work that you've done unless you've put extra thought in it and tested it in dark mode before sending to your audience. Prioritize accessibility. Make sure your email design caters to all users by focusing on accessibility. Incorporate clear headings, descriptive alt text for all images that you use in your email, and a logical reading order to ensure inclusivity. Pro tip. The upcoming iOS 18 update will add AI-generated summaries of emails, so the structure of your email, as well as that alt text for images, will become ever more important. Don't skip this step just because this work may seem less visible to the end consumer. It is very, very, very important. Dare to be different with layouts. I know very well from my own experience that it's very easy to fall into a rhythm with your emails where each campaign starts looking too much like the next one. So every once in a while, shake it up a bit and step outside the box and experiment with unconventional email layouts that challenge traditional design norms. Embrace non-traditional shapes, colors, or layouts that break the grid for a fresh and captivating approach. I really like this email that we're showing on the screen right now that our team did for a brand that we used to work with a long time ago. They sell round puzzles like this, and while many of our other emails for them looked more normal, this one was just an oversized circle earth in your inbox. I don't really have the data anymore, but I do remember that it definitely increased click rate and got more people to the product page. And I'd love to hear from you. If you're watching this, you're a marketer, but you also are a consumer. Do you remember a marketing email that really stood out to you? Why? What did it look like? Share with me in the comments, and I'd love to discuss that with you. Create urgency to prompt action. Incorporating urgency in your emails, like mentioning early bird price ending or 1 day until or ends in 1 hour, all can spur action by narrowing decision-making time. And visual cues, such as countdown timers, prominent typography, concise messaging, and immediately visible CTAs can encourage subscribers to act swiftly. Build trust with social proof. Boost confidence among your prospects and subscribers by showcasing positive customer feedback about your product or service. Testimonials, reviews, or star ratings can enhance trust and provide that extra reassurance needed to take action. And encourage your designers to be creative with how they adapt this type of content for email. There's 100 different ways to show a product review in an email and 100 more ways to show UGC. We're showcasing just a few examples of that on the screen right now. Don't be afraid to experiment and keep track of what types of format and design resonates most with your audience. Finally, remember, email design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about making your readers feel emotions and having the structure that makes it easy for them to take action. That's good email design. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Did you find these tips helpful? Did you have any specific tip that you're most excited about to go and try out? Please drop your comments below. I'm all ears for feedback and eager to continue this conversation. And if you found value in this video and you're still watching, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. I will see you in the next video.